Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation that will completely change the way you think about an old Wi-Fi router. I'm taking this standard Wi-Fi router, which is typically used to provide internet access. I need to access its internal components, so I'll begin by removing the screws from the back panel. I'm using a small screwdriver for this to ensure I don't damage the plastic housing. With all the screws removed, I can now gently pry open the casing. This reveals the intricate circuit board inside. This board is the brain of the router, but today we're repurposing its core functionality. I'm gently lifting the circuit board out of the casing. You can see the various chips and components, along with the antenna wires. These antennas are designed for Wi-Fi, but we're about to repurpose some of the board's functionality for a different kind of reception. I'm taking two small wires, one red and one blue, and I'm stripping a small section from each end. I'll use a soldering iron to secure these wires firmly to specific points on the board, ensuring a strong electrical connection for optimal signal transfer. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. These will be crucial for connecting our new antenna elements to the router circuit board. I'm applying a small amount of solder to the designated pads on the circuit board. This creates a durable and reliable connection. With both wires securely soldered, I need to make sure the wires are neatly routed so they don't get pinched when I close the router case. I'm re-screwing the back panel to seal up the router. The red and blue wires are now extending out from the base, ready for the next step of our project. It's starting to look like a proper piece of electronics again, but with a secret modification. Next, I'm stripping the insulation from the ends of both the red and blue wires. This exposes the copper conductors, which are essential for making a solid electrical connection. Precision here ensures good contact. I'm preparing a standard 2-pin electrical plug. I'm disassembling it to access the internal terminals. This plug will be the interface between our modified router and our custom antenna receiver. I'm carefully attaching the stripped red and blue wires to the plug's prongs, ensuring a tight fit by screwing them down firmly. These connections need to be robust for reliable performance. I'm reassembling the plug, making sure everything is secure and no bare wires are exposed. Safety first, always. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This completed plug is now ready to connect to our receiver unit. Now, I'm taking a TV wall socket and removing its cover. This is where we will connect our coaxial cable. I'm stripping the end of a standard coaxial cable, exposing both the central copper wire and the braided shielding. It's important to do this carefully to avoid damaging the delicate inner conductor. I'm connecting the coaxial cable to the TV wall socket. The central wire goes into one terminal, and the shielding goes into another. These connections need to be tight to prevent signal loss. With the coaxial cable securely attached, I'm closing up the TV wall socket. This ensures that all the internal wiring is protected and the connections are stable. Now for the other end of the coaxial cable. I'm stripping it again, but this time I'm preparing it to attach an F connector. This connector is standard for television antenna inputs and will allow us to easily plug our custom antenna into the TV. I'm carefully attaching the F connector to the coaxial cable. It needs to be snug and properly aligned to ensure optimal signal transfer. Then using some electrical tape to further secure the connection on the outside. This helps insulate the wires and provides a bit of strain relief. I'm plugging the router's custom plug into our wall socket receiver. This completes our DIY antenna setup, ready for testing. As you can see, the TV currently displays no signal. I'm connecting the coaxial cable from our receiver directly into the antenna input on the back of the television. The TV instantly picks up a signal and displays a clear channel. This is the old Wi-Fi router working its new magic, acting as a powerful TV antenna amplifier. I'm demonstrating how smoothly I can switch between channels, with crisp, clear images on every station. No more pixelation, no more no-signal messages, just pure, amplified television. Isn't that incredible? To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. Look at the picture quality. It's fantastic. This simple DIY project proves that with a little ingenuity, you can repurpose everyday electronics into something truly useful and unexpected. Who needs an expensive antenna when you have an old router? If you enjoyed watching this project come to life and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might also have an old router lying around. Leave a comment below and tell me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. And don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.